Hello students, now we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, based on properties of triangle. So before we start, let me check this whether you know what is a triangle. What is a triangle? So students, as you know, a figure having three sides, one side, two sides, and this is the third side. A figure having three sides enclosed from all ends. If a figure which is enclosed from all its ends and it is having three sides, you can name them. If it is a triangle ABC with the side of A, B and C. A triangle ABC, in a short form we can write this like triangle ABC. Now this is called a triangle having three enclosed side with it. So you know this very well. So basically we are knowing this triangle, and regarding the properties of triangle, what is the properties of triangle? So as you can know that triangles are of 6 types. Basically we know the triangles are having different angles. The first property that it is having an enclosed figure having three sides is known as triangle. Then second point, that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. What does it mean? That if this is a triangle, that means this is having one angle, this is having one angle, and this is another angle. So related to this, if this is A, B and C, then what does it convey? That angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equivalent to 180 degree. That is true to any side of a triangle. If suppose a triangle is of this shape is given to you, this true triangle is having also an angle of 180 degree. If suppose a triangle is of this side, this is too also having an angle of 180 degree. So that is called the properties of triangle, that the triangle is having 180 degree. So these are the two basic part that we are having over here. Now if we categorized the triangles, if we are categorizing this triangle, now I must remove this so that I could be able to write more. So types of triangles. Types of triangle. As you know, there are 6 types of triangle. So we are discussing all in this today's class. So the triangles, first you must be knowing a triangle having, based on the types of triangle are based on angles, and second is sides. So on the basis of angles and sides, 3 triangles are based on angle, and three another angles, triangles are based on the sides. So what are the first three part of it? So this angle is having three parts in it. What are those part? The first part is first is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Then second is right angle triangle, and third is obtuse angle triangle. So these are the basic three parts in which it has been divided according to angle. Now what is based on the sides? So it has also been divided in three parts. That is, the first part that we are having here is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So first we discuss the scalene triangle. Then second is isosceles triangle, and the third is equilateral triangle. Right. So each and every part is having. First we discuss this acute angle triangle. What is the shape of this acute angle triangle? That means the triangle which is having all the angles less than 90 degree. You know this is 90 degree. This angle is suppose A, B and C. So this angle is 90 degree. If the angle is less than 90 degree, then we call it a acute angle triangle. If the angle, one of its angle, only one, because we know that the sum of the angles is of a triangle is 180 degrees. So only one angle can exist in a triangle which is having a 90 degree. So we call this, suppose A, B, C, let this be E, F, G, and then obtuse angle. For obtuse angle triangle, that means one angle that should be greater than 90 degree. M, N, O. So one angle is greater than 90 degree. Now second is the case that scalene triangle. What is the shape of this scalene triangle? A triangle which is having all its sides unequal. That means if you draw this like this one, all the sides are of unequal length. So ABC is there. This indicate shorter, this somewhat bigger, and this one like this. So scalene triangle is having all of its sides of different sides. Second is isosceles triangle, the triangle which is having only two of its sides equal. This only two sides are equal. And you know, as the name indicated here, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, that means all the sides of a triangle are of equal length. And if we regard this in the term of angle also, if the triangle is isosceles, then the side opposite to this angle will also be equal. And for equilateral triangle, all the angles are of equal measurement. That means, suppose this is PQ, R, L, M, N. So that means if this angle is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is also a 60 degree angle. And for this regard, this PQ is equals to PR, as well as angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. So this was about your 6th discrimination about the types of triangle. Now we will discuss some more Now, as we are discussing this properties of triangle, the sides of opposite to the largest angle is largest, and that of the shortest angle will be shortest, and vice versa. The second part is median is a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. And third is in a triangle we can draw maximum of 3 medians. And the fourth point is that the median divide them in the ratio of 2:1. Median of all the triangles meet in the interior of the triangle. So there are some other known properties of what is median, and what are the other properties. We will discuss this in our next preceding class.